Hello everyone, my name is Edward Murray and this is my video review for Project 4 of the ASD 1301 course. So what went better than expected? Um, the display data was actually fairly simple. Working with CouchDB to pull all the data straight from the database actually went easy, as well as saving the data. That one gave me a little bit of issues getting it to save, but I was able to get that figured out. The delete was fairly simple. The only one I wasn't able to get functioning correctly was the edit item function. So I got my iOS simulator open over here, and I got the emulator open, but for some reason it's moving really slow. So I'm going to use the iOS one to show everything. But here's all the documents in my uh, CloudInt database. You can go down here and hit add recipe. We can go ahead and type in, apple pie. We'll just do today's date. It's a dessert. And then we'll just type in some random stuff here. And then hit add recipe. And for some reason the page doesn't refresh on its own. I couldn't figure out why it was doing that. But if we hit refresh, you can see here's our new item added to the database. And then we can delete it. And that prompts you, make sure you want to delete it. Hit OK. It says recipe was deleted. Page refreshes and it's gone. And then the edit function, like I said, I couldn't get it to populate the values into the form. And, I kind of ran out of time to work on that. So that's unfortunate, but I gave it my best shot. And then you can see over here in the Android emulator, I don't know how this is going to work. It's kind of buggy and slow. I don't know what its problem is. But it works. I mean, you can click add recipe and it'll add it, but I'm not going to go through that because it's going to take entirely too much time. How did I enjoy working with the app and the simulator in the emulator? Well, as you can see, the emulator is running really slow, so I really don't like using it. I prefer to use the iOS simulator, but that's just my opinion. And that's pretty much it for this week. Hopefully you guys had a good week. We're able to get everything accomplished, and see you guys in the next course.